What's going on? Andrew here at YoDev. Today we're going to be talking about maximizing your ROI through effective UX design. So first off, what is UX design? UX design stands for user experience design. It's essentially you designing how you want your user or customer to experience your product or service. UX design is not just a web page or an email design. It is how your users are interacting with your organization and how their journey to either making a purchase or continuing to do business with you unfolds throughout their life cycle of being a customer. UX design is, in my opinion, one of the highest ROI services or skill sets that you can invest in your business, and here's why. Proper UX design not only is a visual experience through designing, whether that be in Figma when you're doing like a website or web app UX design, or if it's through a series of emails that a user is going to get after they convert, whether it be a top of the level lead like a free ebook or a webinar, or if they're really close to buying and they're further down your pipeline and they've been through some discovery calls or they have already been seeing some offers. Depending on where they are in your process, you can actually track and measure how effective different stages of your user journey is. That being said, just like on a web page, if you were to like A/B test an ad campaign, in UX design, you can test end-to-end the life cycle of your users and your customers and how they interact with your business and make minor changes throughout that journey to see if there's any changes. And you can even A/B test and split test different parts of your user experience and your user journey. It's so important. It actually expands outside of just your customer's experience, but it's also Google cares about UX design now too. So if you have a website or a web app that you're trying to get ranked online to find organic visitors that you want to potentially sell to, Google is looking at websites that load quickly. They're making sure that your website is easy to navigate and it fulfills the user's search queries that they're putting into Google search. So if your website's experience from a search perspective isn't on par to what Google's looking for, that too is a reason to invest into UX design, just because of that, because Google controls the majority of web traffic, and if you're not following their standards, that's going to be another dock and another reason why UX design is so valuable. Another thing, and this will be the last thing, UX design is the future. There is no more web design. Graphic design slowly going away too, believe it or not, with AI and quick streamlined processes. As long as you know your brand, like, it's really easy to knock out designs and stuff. But UX design takes analytics from your existing data and your users, and it takes analyzing through screen recordings and different user interactions, and then it takes those aspects. It's more data-driven design, and you apply those changes that you see in the data to your design. And that's why it's so much more powerful than just straight up web design or graphic design, because you're getting real-life data from your users and you're able to map that to actual elements or designs throughout the experience. And that's why it's so valuable, because companies are not just on social media or on a website or sending emails. They're usually on everything. It's an omni-channel approach, and UX design solves for that omni-channel approach.